As artificial intelligence technology continues to evolve, a key challenge developers face is correcting biases in AI systems. With AI playing an increasingly hefty role in decision-making processes, how can it be ensured that machines do not discriminate? Correspondent Farhana Sheikh reports from Boston.
Even in today's climate of increasing representation and diversity, humans can't run away from biases. Neither can AI. Since humans choose the data the algorithm use and how it's applied, AI programming can be exposed to biases. So here at MIT IBM Watson AI Lab, researchers are looking on how to create a fairer AI. Let's find out more.
There is a lot in between, like racist or sexist and completely fair. So yes, maybe it's hard to make it completely fair, but we can certainly get closer to there. And yes, you're right. So a lot of the reason AI is biased is because the data that we give it is full of our biases and stereotypes as humans. So it just picks up on them. So it either maintains them. Sometimes it could even strengthen them a little bit. But we can also try to think about what does it mean to be unbiased, right? So that's the part where we need to define those notions of fairness, group fairness, individual fairness, something I discussed today, right? And so once we can kind of formalize it or explain it to AI in a way, basically the research part is, okay, once we can think of what it means to be fair, we can explain it to AI and how to do it. So
to achieve fairer AI, IBM Research develops InFairness, an open-source library that can support training and auditing machine learning models for unwanted biases. Mikhail stressed that correcting biases and promoting inclusive representation require more active participation.
The goal of kind of fairness research is to make sure if you want to achieve maybe more balanced representation, you can, because this is not a trivial problem for AI, right? So we develop techniques that let you get there, and then as a provider of a search engine, sort of for you to decide what you want to show. Everybody now has a tech to detect biases, so we have open source tools which you can run on a basic laptop. You don't need to have a factory of computers or GPUs or whatnot. So the example I showed, let's say this correcting a bias in a large language model, it's basically anyone can do it on their laptop. And it's not also, yes, of course, the person who wants to do it will need to learn how to use those things, but we also try to make it as easy as possible. So we have videos out there, we have examples that you can walk through and learn. We ourselves can also answer questions. So I think everybody now can kind of go ahead and try to make their system more fair.